Welcome to the video on BitTool. This is the second video in which we show how the BitTool works on the website. Like I mentioned in the first video, there are two ways of accessing and using the BitTool. One is through an Excel format, and second one is to do the same workings in the website format. However, please keep in mind that when you do it on the website format, you need to have a login ID and password. So make sure you register yourself in the website to be able to log in and enter and fill the bid tool. So first of all, this is the website wherein you have to click on the business plan and business plan development and financial statements, after which the bid tool opens. And if you are not logged in, please make sure you log in and you enter. Once you log in, you click on this, right? And then say I have opened a sample company for which I have already generated the business report. If you do not have the business report, then you have to you have to go and click on something called as edit enterprise. See, there are two options over here. One is generate report, which will give you the final report, and one is edit enterprise, which will give you the various input modules wherein you have to enter the input data, which is what I have explained in detail in the previous video on what are the various boxes or various instructions or various modules in which we'll have to enter the information. There are different modules, and each of the module are similar, and we have to keep on entering all this information, right? Now, after we enter all these information, after we enter all this information, we can click on something called as view report. Now, view report is similar to something called as even generate report. Generate report and view report will give you the same thing. You see a nice, flashy, and interesting report of this particular company is actually shown over here. You see that there are various uh, components or parts that we have been discussing in the previous video. All of them actually are shown in the business investment decision tool. Please feel free to try it at your own time also. And if you see, there is something called as export report to PDF. If you are exporting the report to PDF, what it does, it will also give you a very interesting PDF version of this report, a very nicely formatted PDF version of this report of all the aspects that we were actually planning to enter in the business investment decision tool report. Now, this is very comprehensive and very much useful for entrepreneurs themselves, for the bank or the lenders, and also for the investors. And mind you, like I said, a business investment decision tool is only as good as the information that we feed to it, number one. So make sure the information is comprehensive, information is accurate, information is correct. Only then you will get a very good output, number one. And number two, it's dynamic. That means you can enter information, you can generate a report, you can go back, you can edit, you can update, and again generate a new report. So it's dynamic in nature, it's not static. So it allows you the flexibility of editing or making changes to the bid tool. So that is the flexibility of the tool. It can be shared, it can be used by various different people in different sectors, and we have already been implementing this or piloting this in almost 8 to 10 sites across Africa and Asia and India, and we have found very good success in this tool. So kindly go to the BitTool website, download it, use it, and try to help your own business give its wings. Yeah. With that, we will end this meeting. All the best. Hope your future business dreams take off.